Hi everyone, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities and countries, then this channel is for you. Please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know every time I'm uploading. Like, share and comment. And please don't forget to tell all your family and friends. So let's get into this video. Today we are making rice pie and our ingredients are mayonnaise, carrots, corn, and I'm using the kernel, green peas, I'm using the frozen ones. I have here some chive, shadow beni and onions, 2 eggs, Dijon mustard, and you can use the plain one, it's fine. Maggie cubes, the chicken, Maggie cubes that is. I have here some Jasmine rice. Parboiled rice is also okay. Evaporated milk. Coconut milk. I have here also my cheese. Pepper sauce, and I'm using Little Me pepper sauce, yes. And there are lots more ingredients to be added as well. But now I'm going to be taking my rice, my peas, and my carrots and go to the next step. So here in this bowl I have my rice along with my water, and I'm going to wash this rice to get rid of the excess starch. Now that it's finished washing, I'm going to strain it. And I'm going to be right back. Now I'm back with my strained rice. As you can see me putting it into my pot here, ensuring that I have everything in the pot. Well, almost everything. So this I'm going to add some water, enough to cover the rice for now. I'm going to incorporate my carrots along with my green bean. Into the rice. And now you want to add some more water to cover the rice, and I'm going to put it on my stove, and you want to add the water continuously until the rice cooks. So as you can see, I'm at the stove and I've added some more water to my rice. Because this is jasmine rice, I'm going to give this a cook time of 10 minutes top. I don't want my rice to be overcooked and become smushy, because during the baking process it's still going to be cooking. So I'm just going to cover this and let it sit for 3 minutes. So I'm back and I'm going to add some butter to this rice. This butter is not only going to add flavor, but it's going to give my rice pie a nice creamy buttery feel. So I'm just going to incorporate this and I'm going to be right back. So I'm back and I've already incorporated my mayonnaise, my mustard, my eggs, whisked eggs of course, my coconut milk and my evaporated milk. Now I'm going to add some more so that you can see what I'm talking about. So first I'm going to add my Maggie cubes. And now when you're adding your Maggie cubes, you want to ensure that you break them up. So I'm going to be putting one more Maggie cube in here. And you want to crumble it. And you don't have to add these ingredients piece by piece. You can put all in and then just give it one big stir. So I'm going to incorporate that, and as you can see here, my rice pie mixture could do with some moisture. So I'm going to add my evaporated milk. So I have here my evaporated milk. So I'm going to add some more to my mixture. As well as my coconut milk. I'm going to mix this in as well. Now you can see how cheesy, and you've seen that cheese in there and how creamy this is becoming. Now that is what you want. This is what you're looking for. I'm still gonna add some more cheese to this, guys, so that you all can see how cheesy it's going to become. And this is just so gorgeous. Look at those colors in there. You want to ensure that you stir this well, incorporating all the rice grains into this creamy mixture. So now I'm going to add some black pepper. And you don't want to put too much black pepper in here. And my little me pepper sauce, of course. You all know I love spice. But I'm going to go easy this time around, seeing that it's a pie. A 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm just going to stir that all in. And if you don't like macaroni, this is a great option. So I'm back, and I have in here my favorite all-purpose seasoning. You can use yours. And I'm just going to incorporate this into my mixture. And now, guys, this is just one type of pie. There are so many out there. There's macaroni, there's breadfruit pie, there's potato pie, cassava pie, and I'm going to show you guys how to make each and every one of them later on throughout my YouTube experience. So now to this, I'm going to add some cream cheese, and I'm going to add them in chunks. Now this is going to be a pleasant surprise in your rice pie. This cream cheese isn't going to melt. So as you bite into your rice pie, you're going to bite into that soft, creamy, buttery cheese, and that is going to be so good with that rice. So I'm just going to mix this all in. And guys, to this, instead of the cream cheese, you could have put some salt butter. But I decided to be a good girl today because this already so greasy and cheesy. So I'm not going to be adding any salt butter today, just the cream cheese, and I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to get it into my pan, my Pyrex dish. So I'm back, and I have here my greased Pyrex dish, and I'm just gonna get this mixture here in it. Now if you don't have a greased Pyrex dish, it's okay. You can use a bread pan, or you can use a ceramic dish, or those disposable aluminum dishes. You can use those as well. You have to improvise, yes. Don't let simple things stop you from creating beautiful, beautiful dishes. So I'm just going to spread that out. And then I'm going to be topping this with cheese. Now you can use any cheese you like. I'm using cheddar cheese. Some mozzarella will do really good on top of this, or even some pepper jack cheese. It's gonna turn up the flavor. Now you can just be creative. Just be creative and do what you like. Go wild on top of this rice pie. It's gonna add so much more flavor. Go crazy, people. Get your cheese and just sprinkle any kind you like. Now I'm trying to be not so messy, but as we can see, epic fail. Totally messy, 100. So I'm just gonna finish putting my cheese on top, and then I'm gonna put this in my oven at 350 degrees until it turns golden brown on the sides and on the top. That's my indicator that my pie is finished and ready for eating. So I'm just going to clean up, and I'm going to be right back. Time for the oven. So my pie is finished, and this is the results. Now look at that cold crust. People, you need to try this recipe. It's really yummy. So thank you to my subscribers and my soon-to-be subscribers also, and to everyone else that's watching. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.